Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A83 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. Start with opening the settings, then find and select display and brightness and choose lock screen, magazine and wallpaper. Now click on set wallpaper and choose either something from your photos or one from default wallpaper album photo. You can download more if you have your network connection active. So just scroll till you find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, this one. If you like it, you can customize it however you like. Tap on download and mark apply. Here you can customize it however you like. Mark set as, and then decide if it's for a lock screen only or both. And that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.